Hello world, my name is stanbocelli, and I'm filming a series of experiments to test the durability of breast implants. For today's experiment, I'll be testing to see how well a breast implant can withstand being nuked by a microwave oven. This experiment is going to be pretty straightforward. I'm going to be placing an implant inside of a microwave on high to see if it'll pop. Let's go over the details. The breast implant I'll be using is a silicone gel implant. The outer shell is made out of silicone rubber. This particular one weighs approximately 1.2 pounds. It has a volume of 550 cc's, which is just shy of 2 1/3 cups. The microwave I'll be using is a regular household microwave oven. A microwave works by passing non-ionizing microwave radiation around a frequency of 2.45 gigahertz with a wavelength of 122 millimeters deep into food and other objects. This particular microwave produces 700 watts of microwave power, and I'll be setting the microwave on high for 3 minutes. Okay, so it looks like we're ready to begin. Oh, and by the way, later on I'm going to be watching a movie, so I figured I'd pop some popcorn while I'm at it. At least I know this will pop. Okay, let's see. It's kind of hot. Not too bad. Let's take a look. The implant looks intact. Yep, it's as strong as it was before. And as for the popcorn, it smells good. So this concludes our experiment to see if a microwave oven can pop an implant. So tell me, world, did you think it would pop? That's it for now. Goodbye, world.